Ingredients. The items you need to cook a dish. Cook. Do we have all the ingredients for the soup? Helper. I think we're missing the carrots. Should I run to the store? Cook. Yes, grab some carrots and celery, please. Helper. Got it. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Boil. To heat a liquid until it bubbles. Cook. Can you boil some water for the pasta? Helper. Sure. How much should I boil? Cook. Just enough to cover the pasta when it's in the pot. Helper. Okay, the water is heating up now. Chop. To cut food into small pieces. Cook. Could you chop the onions for me? Helper. How small do you want them chopped? Cook. Just small enough for the salad, not too fine. Helper. Got it. I'll start chopping now. Simmer. To cook slowly over low heat. Cook. Let's simmer the sauce for 20 minutes. Helper. Should I stir it while it simmers? Cook. Yes, but only every few minutes to keep it from sticking. Helper. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Season. To add salt, pepper, or spices to food. Cook. Can you season the chicken before it goes in the oven? Helper. Sure. Should I use salt and pepper or anything else? Cook. Add some garlic powder and paprika too. Helper. Sounds good. The chicken's ready to go. Stir. To mix food or liquid with a spoon or other tool. Cook. Can you stir the soup while I check the oven? Helper. Sure. How often do I need to stir it? Cook. Just every couple of minutes to keep it from burning. Helper. No problem, I've got it covered. Grill. To cook food on a grill or over direct heat. Cook. Are we grilling the steaks tonight? Helper. Yes, the grill is already heated up. Cook. Perfect, let's get the steaks on there. Helper. I'll put them on now. How long should I cook them? Whisk. To beat or stir with a whisk. Cook. Can you whisk the eggs for the omelette? Helper. Sure. Do you want them light and fluffy? Cook. Yes, whisk them until they're nice and airy. Helper. All right, the eggs are ready for the pan. Marinate. To soak food in a sauce before cooking to add flavor. Cook. How long should we marinate the chicken for? Helper. About 2 hours to really let the flavor sink in. Cook. Good idea. I'll put it in the fridge now. Helper. Great, it'll taste amazing once it's grilled. Sauté. To cook quickly in a small amount of oil or butter. Cook. Can you sauté the vegetables for the stir-fry? Helper. How much oil should I use for that? Cook. Just a little, enough to keep them from sticking to the pan. Helper. All right, they're sizzling nicely now.